Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to take a look at startup services configuration in AntiX. So we have opened up the AntiX control center from the application menu, and here you have to open the choose startup services in system section. So I will just open it, and here you can see how the startup services configuration is implemented in a ROX terminal. So you have to use your arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate through the menu of startup services, and you can see, I think there are different levels are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 6 and S level, and you can select the run level config to enable the service to run at different run levels. So there are different run levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 6 and S run level is there, and you can say you can choose for example, let us choose SCPI SCPID service for run level 1. So you have to go there, navigate to the SCPID run level 1, and then you have to put the enter button. Yes, so now you can see the run level 1 is selected for ACPID, and if you don't want it, I think the second, yes, so you have to use the spacebar key to cancel, or we can say disable the service startup for certain run levels. When you navigate to that run level and the process, then you have to use the spacebar key to disable it, and if you want to enable the process to run at certain run level, you have to navigate to that process and run level, and you have to use the enter button to enable that service at that run level. So it's very easy. So if I use go and click, just a moment. Yes, so only spacebar is working. So you have to use the spacebar once, it will enable. Second time if you click, it will disable. So it's very easy. So enter button is not to be used, only the spacebar will enable and disable the process or the service at certain run level. So this is it. So you will see total, you can see lot many of the services are given, and you have to use just the spacebar key to select the process at the run level, and then it will enable or disable the service at that run level for the certain process. That's it. So it's very nice, and this is nothing but the ROX terminal menu. So ROX terminal is part of the ROX group of minimal utilities or the system applications which are run via the terminal and offer the same functionality as offered by a GUI-based system applications. So on this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with some more feature and some more utilities of AntiX Linux distribution. Bye bye.